Yes, welcome to Bikes Awry. Now this video is directed to you beginners out there, okay? This is for those that are lacking confidence in their cornering abilities. That's leaning the bike. Now there's going to be some real golden nuggets in this one, so stick around because some of the things I share with you are really going to improve your abilities and raise your game. Let me just jump aboard my bike and show you a couple of things. Now, where should you have your foot? Look at my placement, okay? My foot's not hovering over the brake at all times. Secondly, you don't want to be stiff like this when you're riding. You want to bend in your elbows, looking like you're purposeful. You want to loosen up a little bit, okay? Relax. Where am I sat on the seat? I'm not back here like this, the back of the bike like this. Yeah, look how uncomfortable I look, okay? Look where my foot is. Sat forward in the bike, bending the elbows, and I'm loose, yeah? Now, before you go out and attempt to do any of these things that I advise you to do, today is a perfect day for it. Roads are dry, it's lovely and warm, roads are nice and warm, so it's ideal conditions really. Let's go down one of my favourite roads, okay, and I'll walk you through what you can be doing. Alright, so we're just going to pick up a bit of speed here. And I'm just going to hold the speed, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through the corner and lean into the corner, okay? I'm not looking at the corner, I'm looking through it, past it. My road position here, I'm keeping left, okay? Bend is going right and I'm looking where I'm going. The bike is going to want to follow where you are looking. Okay, again, lining myself up, I'm not braking, I'm not accelerating. Straight around, okay? And you see how natural that looks on camera. I'm not stiff, okay? I'm moving my shoulders left to right, okay? I'm looking where I want to go, not touching the brakes, okay? I recommend you try this, okay? Just try and hold a speed down a nice windy road and just allow yourself to move about on the bike. But the important thing is looking where you want to go. So I'm not going too quick for these bends. I'm allowing the bike to lean over, and I'm also, if you notice, okay, I can see what's coming the other way, but I'm trying to straighten out the bend, trying to straighten the corner, okay? If I use all of the road, okay, you're allowed to do this. This is all of yours, okay? You're allowed to use it, so make sure you use it. Now I'm just going to spin around here and I'm going to do it in the opposite direction with a bit more speed, because there's one other thing I want to show you, okay? Just make sure nothing's coming, so we're all good. Now, so I'm in 6th gear here, okay? Coming up to a bend, I know I need to slow down. So I'm going to start off, release the power, I'm on the brake, do all my gear changes before the bend, I'm off the brakes and I'm leaning in and following where I'm looking, okay? When you're in the bend, you do not want to be braking, okay? Unless you're an advanced rider, shutting off the power, brake, off the brakes, looking where I'm going, leaning. It's just those simple couple of things that you can do which will make you feel like you're on route to being a MotoGP rider. Don't be worried, honestly, do not be worried, okay? Because, you know, if you're one of those people that think you're going to lose grip, or okay, or the bike's going to topple over, if you lean the bike in it's going to fall over, the bike naturally wants to stand up. This bike is capable of so much more than what I'm doing to it and giving it today, yeah? And there's a clever feature on my bike which tells me my lean angles. You notice here, 33 degrees left, 27 to the right. This bike is capable of leaning over as far as 50-55 degrees. So if you look at how I've lent the bike today, do you think I've pushed the limits of its capabilities? No, not at all. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you found it valuable. I'm about to go and do that road again if you want to stick around and watch, but always remember, ride your own ride. You have nothing to prove. Just take it easy, relax on the bike. With that said, I'm going to go and enjoy this road, and I hope to see you on another one of my videos very soon. Thanks for watching.